We all know the phrase April showers bring May flowers, but honestly, we've already gotten more rain than we really need already, only 12 days into the month of April, and we have even more ahead this week. In fact, we have daily rain chances to take us through all of the week ahead, along with the potential for some flooding and also the chance for some strong to severe thunderstorms in there as well. Time frame for that right now looking likely on Monday, Tuesday, and potentially on Wednesday as well. So a lot of rain to talk about. Let's just dive right in. We do have a warm front that is sitting southwest of the state right now. That is pushing into the area, and that has pushed this first batch of rain through overnight and into this morning. Satellite and radar is looking pretty busy right now, but not so much for us here locally. A lot of that rain has moved out now, other than just a few lingering kind of isolated showers or some sprinkles, but a lot of that heavier activity is off to our north of Highway 10 and north of the Big Rapids area, where we have heavy rain and also some lightning and some embedded thunderstorms in there. So as we head throughout the day today, this morning rain is going to move out. We'll be under a mostly cloudy sky, but check out the temperatures. We are going to climb into the upper 60s to the middle 70s across West Michigan today. Note that our normal high here in Grand Rapids is 56. We're going to make it into the middle 70s. So it is going to be feeling very nice. But then as we head into the later half of today, really into tonight, the rain and storm chances are going to return for most of us. So walking through this afternoon, again, I mentioned that a lot of us are going to be staying dry. We are trending a little bit drier for today, but I do think that we'll hang on to some rain chances for areas north of I-96 as we head throughout this afternoon. Otherwise, we'll be mostly cloudy. Could even see some peaks of sunshine as we head towards the afternoon and into this evening. But then by around midnight or a little bit after, I think that's when the next round of rain is going to move in. We could see some heavy downpours, maybe a few embedded thunderstorms in there, but this is out of here by Monday morning. So Monday is also trending on the drier side, but again, will be mostly cloudy, turning partly sunny potentially by the afternoon. Could see a few sprinkles in there here and there, but overall trending drier for the day. As we head towards Monday evening, though, that is when we could see some showers and some thunderstorms redevelop. And if this happens, they will have the potential to become strong to severe. So the Storm Prediction Center has put all of West Michigan under this level 1 out of 5 marginal risk for severe weather. This is for Monday evening through Monday night. I think the main threats here will be gusty winds as well as some small hail, but the better chance for some strong to severe storms is going to come on Tuesday. And we've been talking about this already for the last few days, so this is really no surprise. We are under a level 2 slight risk for severe storms, and right now it's looking like all hazards will be possible. So we're going to be keeping a very close watch on Tuesday. But how much rain are we expecting? So this is the rainfall estimates for the next few days. So starting today, running until 7 p.m. on Tuesday. This is just one model, and a lot of the models are showing some minor differences as far as numbers and also where the heavier rain is going to set up. But the overall picture here is that we're looking at anywhere from a ½ inch up to 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches of rain. And so of course flooding is going to be on the table because that's just through Tuesday. We have rain on the board all of this week. And so by the end of the week, we're talking 2, maybe 4 inches of rain is going to be possible. So for today, temperatures are in the 70s. We stay in the 70s pretty much through all of the week with daily rain and storm chances, specifically keeping a close eye on Tuesday.